Is getting a swimming pool really worth it? I mean, it's such a massive, massive expense. Truly, it's one of the most expensive luxuries most people will ever buy. And so at the end of the day, is it worth it? Well, as somebody who's been in the pool industry for over 30 years, I've definitely talked to a lot of swimming pool owners, some happy and some sad. And what it really comes down to is this: the individual. Are you a person that, we're not going to be able to keep you out of the pool because you love it so much and you'll be using it every day, morning and night. Like I know people like that that use their pool two, three times every single day. I also know other people, like in my area, we close pools seasonally. And so when we close pools at the end of the year, I'll get a chance to talk to the pool owner and I'll say, how was the pool this season? And they'll say to me, not a single person swam in it, or one person swam in it a single time. And I just shake my head and it's like, well, that's really too bad because I mean, you have to open the pool, you have to maintain it, care for it, pay for the chlorine, replace the pump and filter when they fail. Like, that's a lot of expense for nobody to go swimming at all. So in those cases, it's not worth it. But usually those are people in their retirement years. The kids have long since grown up and moved out and have houses and pools of their own. And the pool might only be used when the grandkids come over. And once the grandkids grow up, well, heck, nobody uses the pool at all anymore. And that's a pretty common story. So, really, what you have to ask yourself is in the foreseeable future, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and 20 years, are you going to be using this pool? Who's going to be using this pool? Because it's a lot of people will get a pool to try to keep kids at home. Instead of them being, out and around the neighborhood, you have a feature at home that makes your house so cool that everybody wants to be there. Now your kids are at home. Now you can keep an eye on them. It's a healthy, happy environment. You can build family memories with the swimming pool. Those are the people that are happiest when they get one. If you're just getting one to keep up with the Joneses, because you feel like your pool or your yard should have a pool in it, geez, you're probably going to spend a boatload of money and end up with a pool 3 to 5 years from now that you hardly use and wish you didn't have at all. And maybe one day you might end up paying to delete, which is just a worst case scenario. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.